Hey everyone, today I'm going to be giving you a tour of this Lundby Gothenburg I've just finished furnishing. It will be listed up on my Etsy soon. And yeah, let's just get into it. First room I'm going to show you is the children's room, which is right at the top. It's 2 children obviously, 2 beds. Put some little toys in. But I made this rug and I wallpapered the back wall because it was really damaged and it didn't look good. Obviously I've done all the floors with coffee stairways and I just painted them. So yeah, that's that room. The next room is the parents' room. Again, I fully decorated this one. I made that little blue plant. A few books in the bedside. Again, made the floor, made this rug. Wallpapered the back wall. Inside, I've added the dressing area. See, I made the little perfume tray, which can be found on Etsy. I did make the little blind, which I just thought was cute and it matched. Have that room, parents' room. Going down, we have the kitchen. Didn't really need wallpapering. Wallpaper's in really good condition, so I just left it as it is. So we have the little accessories. I made that plant too, and that little doormat. The little son playing with the dog. Just wanted to fill up that corner a bit. Yeah, that's the kitchen. Moving along, we have the dining room. And the mum in the corner on the rocking chair. I did leave this wallpaper as well, this is original. As you can see, I had to repaper the stairs. I made the rug again. Just thought it would look nice and matched with the table and the chairs. Yeah, that's the dining room. So moving along again, we have the bathroom, which I did wallpaper because again it was badly damaged, had water damage. It was just falling apart, so I found what I thought looked like vintage style papers and just went with the colours of the bathroom furniture. Moving down to the bottom of the house, this is another room I've completely redone as it was damaged. I did look at old photos of vintage wallpapers that were used, and this was pretty similar to what was used in the old front rooms anyway. The only difference is the colours. So yeah, I just got furniture to match. You may recognise this set from a previous haul video. If you haven't watched that, I'll link that down below. Yeah, this is the front room. I made this fluffy rug. I also made the plant. Yeah, not much to show in this one. The reason I haven't completely filled up the house like I would do for one of mine is because this is going up for sale and I want to give whoever buys it the opportunity to fill it up and add their stamp to it. So yeah, that's why I've tried to fill it up as much as I can, but still leaving enough room for things to be added, basically. The last room I'm going to show you is the garage, which I did have to fix. I'll insert pictures. The wall panel surrounding was broken, the doors were broken out, so all I had to do was put it back together, which was pretty easy. That's inside. Motorbike. Kept this original as well, it's just a garage, so again I'll let whoever buys it choose what they want to do with it. I got this with the house, so I just thought I'd keep it in there. It's very cute. Could maybe be the son's little mini motor or something like that. But yeah, that's the house. Like I say, it will be listed on Etsy soon, so I'll link that down below as well. And sorry if I sound a bit off today, I'm quite ill. So yeah, I wanted to be consistent, keep to my schedule, so sorry if I sound a bit meh. Anyway, I hope you all have a good day and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Today I'm quite ill. Yeah, I wanted to be consistent, keep to my schedule, so anyway, I hope you all have a good day and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, bye. Hey, me again. I'm just editing the video and I realised I haven't given any explanation of why I've got this house or why I've furnished it and why I'm selling it. So basically, long story short, I wanted a 4-storey Lundby Gothenburg house with a garage. So I went trawling on eBay as usual and I started bidding on a few houses. I couldn't find a 4-storey house for ages. I could only find 3-storey houses. So I gave up and I thought, right, I'll just bid on the 3-storey houses. So I bid on the one I've just shown you, and right as I was just about to win it, I found a 4-storey house. So I bid on that, I won both houses and was left with 2. Obviously I don't need 2, so I'm keeping the 4-storey one, which is the one I originally wanted. And yeah. So that's the little story behind it.